Before starting this video, do subscribe to Hello Hacks and click the bell button for instant life hacks updates. Hello friends, welcome to the new episode of Hello Hacks. So, let's get started. Want to track an airplane location? Well, very easy. All you require is the flight number. Yes, if you Google the flight number, it will show you the exact location of the flight. It will also show you the departure time and the estimated arrival time. Addition to this, it will show you extra information such as terminal, gate, and many more. Just try this simple trick once and hope this makes your task easy. Be happy and stay happy. Hope you loved watching this video. Do remember to 1. Subscribe our channel, Hello Hacks. 2. Share this video with your friends and family. And 3. Hit like and comment your feedback and suggestions. We'll meet in next video. Till then, goodbye.